Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add payment methods on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify admin panel. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left side of your screen and then go all the way down until you find settings. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it, and then you will be right here. So go to payments, and right here you're gonna find payments providers and supported payment methods, manual payment methods, and payment customization. So firstly, we're gonna see the providers. So basically, guys, providers that enable you to accept payment methods at a rate set by the third party. An additional fee will be applied to new orders once you select a plan. If we click on choose provider, as you can see guys, there is a lot of payment providers. You can choose any provider that suits you. And then if you go back, you can choose right here the payment methods. So those are the supported payment methods. So there is PayPal. And if you click on add payments method, right here you can search for any payment method that you want. Once you choose one, just go ahead and click here, and then you can choose any payment method that you want and click on activate. Right here, if you want to customize payments, you can install an application that are specialized in payment customization. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.